Hi there, Perfecto Castro here, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I'm actually flying back to LA tonight. This is my last day here in Manila, Philippines, and I have a problem. So my Gator dual guitar case is already occupied, and I have to bring home a third guitar. What do I do? Well, let me show you. Okay, so this is the guitar. This is a Crafter prototype. My upcoming signature. Right? Very cool guitar. 24 frets, HSS, Floyd Rose, bolt-on neck. So this is what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to check this guitar in using this gig bag. Okay, just landed LAX. We left Seoul Incheon. I had to check the guitar in a gig bag. So fingers crossed that it arrives safely and in one piece. Okay, there it is. I see it right there. Okay, see all the fragile stickers. Okay, looks like it's in one piece. I got lucky this time. Don't do this. So it's tempting fate right there, and most likely the guitar will get destroyed. I'm not gonna buy another hard case and pay for excess baggage. So the only other option is to dismantle this guitar, take the neck off. That way I can fit it into my luggage. But I'm gonna show you this hack that I recently learned, and it's such a cool hack. Now let's take this guitar apart. Okay, so far it's been pretty straightforward. You know, I took the neck off of this guitar. If you are going to hand carry this, you'll need to take the strings off, but I'm going to check it in my regular suitcase, so I'm going to leave them on. That way I can just reinstall everything onto the Floyd Rose when I get back to LA and I'm ready to rock. Okay, so here is the hack. Okay, so take your gig bag. This actually works better if it's a flimsier gig bag, but you know, we work with what we've got. I'm going to take this neck cradle off first, right? Okay, then put the guitar body in, and then we are going to fold the neck part into the guitar body part, right? Okay. And zip it up. So now we have the guitar body secured. Now what am I going to do with the neck? I'm glad you asked. There you go. Okay, and then put all the other parts into the front pocket. There you go. So in this mode, you can actually wear this as a backpack and carry it into the cabin. This will surely fit in the overhead bin. But since I'm going to check this into my luggage, I'm actually going to take the neck, I'm going to wrap it in clothes, and I will put it side by side. That way it fits better. So yeah. Off to the airport. Okay, there you have it. That is my latest travel hack for traveling with your extra guitars. Now, this video is not sponsored, but big thanks to silentnoise.ph for letting me film in their store. And if you want to support the channel, please use my affiliate links in the video description. Buying from these links are of no extra cost to you, and the small commission that I get helps me keep making these videos for everybody to enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna go. I got a flight to catch. Cheers.